Welcome to 2x English. Today we are going to discuss about the most important MCQs from To a Skylark by P.B. Shelley. To a Skylark is a marvelous lyric of delicate beauty and subtle charm, and of course it's one of the most characteristic poems of Shelley. It's full of brilliant flashes of imagination and strong fervor of emotion. So today's MCQ series consists of 15 MCQs from To a Skylark, and in our next sessions we will be discussing about the next series of MCQs from To a Skylark by P.B. Shelley. So let's start today's MCQs. To this first MCQ is: Shelley was a student of what university college in which he was expelled from? Options are Harvard, Columbia, Oxford, Cambridge. Here the right answer is option C, Oxford. Shelley entered University College, Oxford in 1810, but he was expelled in 1811. That means after 1 year. And he was expelled after the publication of a pamphlet entitled The Necessity of Atheism. Next, Shelley's wife, Mary Shelley, is best known for which work? Options are Frankenstein, The Scarlet Letter, Uncle Tom's Cabin, The Last Man. Here the right answer is option A, Frankenstein. Here the right answer is Frankenstein. Frankenstein is written by Shelley's wife, Mary Shelley. In his poem To a Skylark, Shelley viewed the skylark as options are an annoyance, a small brown bird, a good singer, a spirit. Here the right answer is a spirit. Next, what does those heavy-winged thieves that appeared in line number 55 refer to? Options are bees, winds, skylarks, twigs. Here the right answer is option B, winds. Option B, winds. Next, what does the speaker appear to envy over Skylark? Options are the bird song. Option B, the easy life of a bird. Option C, the ability to fly. Option D, the freedom the bird has. Here the right answer is option D, the freedom the bird has. Here the right answer is option D, the freedom the bird has. Next, fill in the missing word in the line from the poem. Just select which one is the second word after chorus. The options are autumnal, option B boreal, option C hymeneal, option D line. Here the right answer is option C. This is the word that appeared second after the word chorus in the poem. Next, during the poem, Shelley begins using what literary device for 5 straight stanzas? The options are ascendant, metaphor, alliteration, caning. Here the right answer is option B, that is metaphor. Metaphor is a figure of speech, and in my last video about figure of speech, I have broadly discussed about metaphor. So let's proceed to the next MCQ. Next, what is the speaker's request to the skylark in the last stanza? Options are for the bird to land near him to eat, to be taught, to come back into sight, to continue its song for a very long time. Here the right answer is option B. The poet wanted to learn half the gladness from the skylark. Hence here the right answer is option B. Option B is right answer here. Next, Shelley compares the song of the bird skylark with options are a fresh shower, option B moonbeams, option C mountain spring, option D first rays of the sun. Here the right answer is option B, moonbeams. Option B is right answer here. MCQ number 10. Besides a skylark, What is another greatly famous poem from the 19th century? Options are Ode to the Nightingale, Ode to a Nightingale, The Raven, The Crow, The Song of the Cranes. Here the right answer is option A, Ode to a Nightingale. Ode to a Nightingale. Next, what is the closest synonym for the word unbeholden? That appears in line number 48. Here the options are unseen, unheard, unsmelt, unsung. Here the right answer is option A. Undoubtedly, unseen is the right answer here. Next, proceed to MCQ number 12. Shelley wrote with what artistic drive? Options are impulse, deep thought, life experience, love for literature. Here the right answer is option A. Option A, impulse. Option A is right answer. Next, what does the word unpremeditated mean in line number 5? Options are incredibly boring. Option B, not planned out in advance. Option C, sad and lonely. Option D, unfocused, careless. Here the right answer is not planned out in advance. No advance plan. Hence, here the right answer is option B. Option B is right answer here. Now come to MCQ number 14. In his poem To a Skylark, Shelley compared the skylark to options a glowworm, option B, a princess in tower, option C, a poet. Look at the options carefully. Here all the three options are applicable. Hence here the right answer is option D. All of the above answers are correct. Hence here the right answer is option D. This last MCQ is MCQ number 15. What season does the word vernal refer in line number 56? The word vernal appears in line number 56 and you have to select which one is meant by vernal. The options are summer, option B March Madness, option C spring, option D autumn. Here the right answer is spring. Hence C is the right answer. So this was today's presentation, and it was the first series of the MCQ series from To a Skylark by Shelley. So if you like to this presentation, you can stay with us. You can like our videos, or you can subscribe our channel to stay tuned and connected with us. So thank you for watching this video.